David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, episode 18. Hanc de principali et ultimo fine studiorum et totius vitae humanae admonitionem initio studiosi adolescentes considerent. Here Chytraeus gives a summary statement. He begins with hanc, which is feminine singular accusative, and this modifies the object admonitionem in the same gender number and case. So then, this warning, hanc admonitionem, this warning concerning de always takes as a preposition the ablative case, and thus fine is its object. De fine is masculine singular and ablative, and it's modified by principali and by ultimo. This admonition, or this warning, hanc admonitionem, concerning the main, principali, and the ultimate, or the beginning and the ultimate end, or goal, of studies and of all human life, the whole of human life, totius vitae humanae. Studiorum is neuter plural genitive, dependent on fine, and totius vitae humanae is feminine singular and genitive. Now, of course, we need the subject, and it is adolescentes, in the masculine plural and nominative, young people, young men, and it's modified by studiosi, in the same gender number and case. So then putting it all together right before we reach the verb, diligent or studious young men, this warning, this admonition, from the beginning, initio is an adverb, from the beginning, this warning or this admonition concerning the primary and ultimate end of one's studies and of all of human life, these studious young men or adolescents considerent. Now we get to the verb. Considerent is a third plural, present subjunctive active. This is from the first conjugation verb, considero, considerare, which means to think about, to take seriously, to meditate, to pause over. And this one, as a subjunctive, is being used independently. It is the only verb in this sentence. It is an independent subjunctive. It's what's called a usive, that is, giving a polite command. Let studious young men, or studious young men they must take into account, they must think about, hanc admonitionem, etc., and they must do so initio, from the very beginning.